Good morning, everyone. This is Patrick. Last week was a big week for the U.S. farmer. We saw the USDA lower ending stocks in corn, with beans staying pretty much the same. What that meant for corn was they raised the average price from 440 to 450, and now we have a real chance to see a significant rally. There are still major outside influences that are affecting the corn market. The Ukrainian war with Russia, I think, is going to have more and more of an effect as we go through the year, as Ukraine and Russia will not be able to export what they have in the past because of that war. We still have the U.S.-Iranian situation, which is raising input costs, which means we have to have a higher price. But the biggest elephant in the room is El Nino. Right now, El Nino is getting stronger. It is already a really strong El Nino, and that means world interruptions for weather around the planet. Okay, we're seeing terrible weather in France. They have terrible crop. Europe as a whole. We're going to see more heat and dryness as forecasted, I believe, in South America, putting that crop at risk. That means we could have a tremendous move higher as world ending stocks continue to fall. That's not good news for the world, but it's good news for prices here in America, and we need American farmers to get a good price. I am very happy where I'm situated. We have 65% of beans sold for 26-27 season, nothing in 27. And corn, we're 50% with a 492 and 3/4 futures average price, which is a really good starting point at 50%, with nothing sold in 27. So our focus remains right now to let this thing figure itself out, see where we end up with yields, see what happens to the outside influences. I believe we're going to be significantly higher in spring in both corn and soybeans. For right now, we're locking the bin doors. Have a great week. Pretty soon we'll have the crop tours. We'll get a little bit better picture of what the crop looks like. For you in Indiana, our hearts go out to you with that derecho that hit in the wet weather. We hope your farm survived. Your family's okay. Have a great week, everyone. Thank you.